What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And as you know, we have been staying with Christy's parents for a couple months while we've been here in Maryland. And my mother-in-law asked us for a sweet treat tonight. We've already had dinner. The kids are out in the front playing with Gigi and Pepe, and
those are my parents.
Those are her parents. So I came up with a interesting dessert that we're going to give it a try.
Yeah, we've been having so much fun baking, literally, in the Leggero with sweet treats and stuff. But yeah, so
not just pizza. It can do all sorts of stuff.
We've been loving it. And so Spencer has this idea, like, we love chocolate, we love peanut butter, and he's come up with something that we have never made before, but are very excited to try.
So this evening, I am going to make peanut butter party balls.
So let's go fire up the Leggero.
So this one I've never done, but we're gonna give it a try and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to take Grand's biscuits, I'm going to slice each one in half, and then I'm going to flatten that piece of dough out and wrap a Reese's mini peanut butter cup in each of them. Pow.
Biscuit with a surprise.
All right, before we stick our party balls in the Leggero, I wanna get our peanut butter glaze going so that it is hot and ready. So I'm going to build sort of a makeshift double boiler here. I had this water going on the Blackstone Griddle, and I'm just going to make a quick peanut butter honey glaze. I've got our Leggero set to low, which on this thing still means like 400, 450 degrees. I've got them on this cool pizza screen here. It's going to make it nice and easy to get them into the oven. Start our turntable up. Got a few Reese's cups left over, so we thought it would be a good idea to chop a few of them up as a garnish when you are making something as gourmet as Reese's cups in biscuits. You have to make it look like $1 million dessert. And more Reese's cups. The time has come. It has been about 8 minutes, and actually halfway through cooking I turned the Leggero off and just let it cook with the residual heat that was inside it.
Whoa.
These look fantastic. Get some fresh hot honey peanut butter sauce. Here we go. And to top it all off, we've got our chopped up Reese's cups.
This is one decadent dessert.
They don't call them peanut butter party balls for nothing.
I mean, it looks great. Is this what you were thinking?
Yeah, looks fantastic. I'm ready to try it.
I was gonna say less talking, more trying.
Stop waiting. Oh my gosh.
Definitely need some milk.
I was gonna say, what were you saying about milk earlier?
Oh wow, it's delicious. The
honey
peanut
and
butter
the glaze.
sauce. And I love, you put the Reese's cup on top too. It's like melting in
a little
to
bit.
the peanut butter sauce.
Peanut butter party balls.
Pretty phenomenal.
Gonna be a crowd pleaser at your next party. Well, thank you guys for watching. You should definitely try this one. If you don't have the Leggero, go pick yourself up one because it is an amazingly versatile machine. And it's portable. We can take it with us wherever we go.
The party can go to your friend's house too.
Exactly. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and click that bell icon on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, Taylor, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Really, Really, Really Delicious, and we will see you down the road.